So population interaction means if you take one habitat, in that so many population are there, how they are adjusting, how they are interacting with each other. That is very much important to maintain that habitat. Okay, what are they? Again, see, interaction between two species is called as interspecific interaction. Interaction within a particular species, that is called as intraspecific interaction. So this you have to remember. Like, see here, if you take a jungle, deer and tiger, deer and elephant, see, both will be having different relationship. So deer and elephant, they used to have the same type of food, they can live nearby. But here the tiger and deer, it is not possible. So this is called as interspecific interaction. Two different species, how they are interacting with each other. Okay, so that is called as interspecific. And there are different kind of interactions existing in the given habitat of different population, different type of population. So first one is mutualism, competition, predation, parasitism, commensalism, amensalism. So 6 interactions you are going to learn, and this is very much important. So based on this table, you can expect questions. See, what do you mean by mutualism? That is beneficiary for both the species. Okay, give and take policy. So if you take organisms A and B, that is two different populations, they both are helpful for each other. So both will get benefited. So mutually, they are understanding each other, two different populations in a same habitat. Okay, so this is called as mutualism, in that both the population are getting benefited. Okay, next is competition. If you take here, both the species are harmed because for one kind of resource, common resource, they both are fighting. So both will be affected. Both the population will be affected. And third is predation. So predation, again, you know, prey will be killed. So predator will be benefited and prey will be killed. So predator here, population A, is prey. So prey will be affected and predator will be benefited. And parasitism, what are, and again parasites, again different parasites are there, endo and ectoparasites. Here again one gets benefited, that is here parasite, and host gets affected. Okay, and again commensalism. So commensalism, here one population is getting benefited, others is not affected. And amensalism, one is affected, another one is not affected or benefited. Okay, another one is not. In these two, no benefit or no harm for one kind of population. In commensalism, the other kind will be benefited, and in amensalism, the other population will be harmed.